Wow, we just came off track.
Unreal.
Unreal. This crazy bastard just drove this car full send. First time ever at Ozarks.
You know, I have a lot of confidence with the car, and you know, I had a really good co-driver. He saved me once.
Well, I know this track like the back of my hand. You're brand new at this track, and you drove it with reckless regard, and that was epic.
That was fun.
I haven't been thrown around that much in the right seat, and I can't remember when.
Yeah.
It was fun. Thoughts on Ozarks?
Unbelievable. Yeah, I mean, roller coaster, thrill rides. I love Disney, so I mean, hell, it's like going to Disney. It's the Disney World track.
Thanks for coming all the way down from Wisconsin.
Okay. Yeah, thanks for coming up and meeting us here.
Came off an epic session off track.
Yes, we did.
We didn't go off track, we just came off the track.
Just temporary.
So you rode with me?
Yeah.
You survived?
I did.
He's still smiling.
I'd do it again.
You're crazy. Thoughts on that ride?
Like I said, just tremendous fun. I'd do it again.
So Jack, who runs Chin here, came up to me with a screenshot. They got a picture of me actually jumping the back hill there with it's
Dwayne.
Dwayne, yes. Dwayne, you're from Missouri here?
Yeah, I'm from Columbia.
Okay, and they got a picture apparently of us getting there. So looking forward to seeing that on the full big. Okay, we just came off track. It was chaos, but we lived.
Barely.
We had some excitement there with Dan and his Porsche. I'm sure the video footage is crazy. But a lot of fun. Thoughts on Ozarks?
Fun track. Definitely blind, but
Yeah.
fun all around.
And you took that like a champ. I was throwing everything I had at it, and you took it like a champ.
Yeah, definitely scary. But
Okay, I know he's 16, new at driver's license, right? Don't drive like that.
yeah.
All right, thanks for the ride along. Just came off track, hot, sweaty, and crazy. So I don't know if you could hear when he introduced himself, but introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name's Thomas Scott. Took a passenger ride with
I'm Tim.
Tim today. And
Yeah.
excellent with his GT500. He did an amazing job. First time I've been at this track. So
what do you think of Ozarks?
I love it. This is amazing. The elevation change. It's like if I don't know if you've ever been to Groton. Groton and Road America had a baby.
Okay.
It would be this place. This is times 10. I can't believe
This is my favorite.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Lights Okay, this is Rachel. That's Rachel's car back there. She is a chin instructor. We came up from Texas together. What are your thoughts on Ozarks?
Oh, heaven.
I've been saying,
heaven.
you gotta get to Ozarks, forever.
Yes.
And she's like, yeah. And then,
You gotta get to Ozarks.
you gotta get to Ozarks. This track is ridiculously fun. The Middleton crew had fun. We had fun. We set personal best. She's never been here, so everything she did was a personal best.
Woo.
So what'd you get down to?
258.
Less than 3 here at Ozarks, and you're somebody. So she's somebody. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.